Alright guys, it's Tuesday morning, 10:30. Looks like hurricane gods are gonna, looks like they spared us. So it's gonna be nothing but a tropical storm pretty much. Yeah, my main thing here is flooding, so living on the canal. So we're gonna take a walk and see how everything's doing. They didn't take our water down in the canal, so you know that's the only thing I worry about is flooding. Nothing else. Nothing else. But I mean, just in a tropical storm, I've seen that spillway right there go right up over the road into the St. Lucie River. So let's hopefully that'll stay clear and keep moving. I don't see any big logs in the way, so yeah, that's a good thing. But right now we get a few gusts every now and then. The rain stopped, but I know it's only just begun, so yeah, everything's holding out good. Yeah, it'll clean these branches up though, that's for sure. But yeah, that's where we're at, and I'll check in later this afternoon. But somebody asked me what do I worry about the most? Costa asked me, and you know, the only thing I worry about is flooding, to be honest with you. Electricity, but you know, we can live without electricity, but man, those poor people. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. You tear my screens, I'm going to kill you. Not really. Anyways, yeah, those poor people in the Bahamas, they're up in their attics trying, man, yeah, flooding. Flooding has to be my biggest worry, especially living near water. I'm like 15 minutes from the beach, so I mean, those people in the Bahamas, they had 18 to 25 feet storm surge up in their attics, no place to go. Man, you know, that's horrific. That's horrific. Yeah, I don't know, those poor people. But anyways, all good. Everything's holding out good. Let's just hope nothing falls, no trees fall in the water. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good, pretty clear. Yeah. Getting lucky, guys, getting lucky, real lucky. Capone's got a hurt foot. He won't stop licking it. Yeah, he's just licking it raw, and I don't know. I gotta get him to a vet as soon as this storm passes. But yeah, anyways, right now we're having probably 20-mile-an-hour gusts, maybe 30, maybe. But it's gonna get pretty good this afternoon. From 2 o'clock on, they said we're gonna get here in Port St. Lucie. But there's a morning update. Love you guys, and we'll check in later, huh? Not much left of this palm tree. You can see the way it's tilted, man. This thing's been through a lot of storms. What is your issue, huh? You can't come out and play. You can't. You can't be trusted, huh? You'll run all the way to US 1. Alright guys, we'll check in later, huh? Wow. Yeah. Again, sorry for the shaking. Alright, let's get inside. drink some more coffee. It's going to be a long day, long night. Alright, love you guys. Peace out.